Good morning, good morning. Dahil umaga ngayon, umpisahan natin ang pag-search sa isang bagay na paano maging positibo o positive everyday. Are some ways to think and behave in more positive and optimistic way. Identify areas to change. Check yourself. Be open to humor. Yan, yung mahilig dyan magbiro. Positive mind yan sila. So, follow a healthy lifestyle. So, pag healthy lifestyle, di ba, magaan ang pakiramdam at walang sakit. At laging masaya. Surround yourself with positive people. So, mag-interact ka sa mga positibong tao. Practice positive self-talk. So, pag positive mind ka, ayaw mo ng mga negative, mga words. Gusto mo laging positibo. So, palagi kang happy, lagi kang ganon. Alam niyo na yon. How can I be positive in daily life? So, mayroon dito engage positive self-talk, practice gratitude, identify areas for important, spend time with positive people, take care of your physical health, remember to laugh, yan. Treat yourself, magpa-beauty ka, magpaganda ka, o anong gusto. Develop morning and evening routines. So, may mga positive attitude dito rin pala. So, basahin natin. Changing your perspective has a powerful influence in your life and happiness. Smiling and being kind to others. Yan, positive siya. Practicing self-compassion. Not taking things personally. Being happy for others' success. Ito ang gusto ko. Being happy for others' success. So, maging masaya tayo pag nag-success yung ating kapwa. Hindi natin pagkaingitan kasi pinaghirapan niya yun o sinikap niya yun na maging success siya. Maging ma-inspire na lang tayo. So, hindi tayo pwede mag-think na negative. Positive lang tayo. How to get attitude. So, hanapin natin to kung ano to. Taking responsibility for your attitude is the first step. Evaluate your present attitude to start improving your attitude. First, assess your current attitude para dagdag lang to sa mga positibong natin. Develop the desire to change. Change your thought, develop good habits, and find other positive people. So, pangdagdag lang to improve your attitude para maging positibo tayo. I hope may natutunan kayo sa aking searching for today na how to be positive every day or not only every day. Sa buong buhay mo, lagi kang positibo para laging masaya, avoid stress. Alam niyo ba, pag positive tayo, nababawasan din natin ang mga karamdaman at mga sakit-sakit or na gumagaan ang ating kalooban, di ba? Na-feel niyo ba? Ako na-feel ko. So, thank you so much for watching, guys.